Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have parts ready: ESB board, LED strip, and power. First, wire the LED data pin to the board, share ground, and connect 5V. Once done, install the Arduino IDE or Platform I/O and add the fast LED or Adafruit Neo Pixel library. This is needed so your controller speaks LED language. Make sure to save your Wi-Fi SSID and password for later use. Next, set IDE board to ESP 8266 or ESP32 and confirm your serial port. You'll upload code in the Now upload a basic LED control sketch that sets LED count and data pin. Once uploaded, connect the board to Wi-Fi by pasting your SSID and password into the sketch. Next, choose a control protocol: simple HTTP endpoints for direct voice service webhooks or MQTT for more advanced routing. Implement small handlers for on/off, color, and brightness so voice commands map to functions. Test each command locally over serial or a web browser to confirm LED responses before linking to a voice assistant. Finish by connecting your board's control endpoints to a voice platform. For quick setup, use IFTTT webhooks or create a Home Assistant integration. For direct control, configure Alexa or Google Assistant to call your HTTP/MQTT bridge. Make sure to secure endpoints with a token and confirm your power supply can deliver enough amps for the full strip. Once linked, create voice phrases and test full sequences. If lights don't respond, first check power and ground continuity. Then validate Wi-Fi credentials and serial logs to pinpoint the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.